Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Ford Escape 2009, which belongs to the generation 2004-2011 Ford. And this one actually comes with the factory radio like this, so you can see that it looks like this. Basically it looks like this before, but it already stopped working, asking for the code from the screen, so this one doesn't work anymore, and that's the reason we remove it and install the new 9-inch regular system with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera fit at the back end. It's beautifully fit everywhere on the dash with the frame at the bottom, and it really matches into the car. Every function is working and nice and tight, and with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. It's really challenge to fit the camera at the back end because the camera position, okay, you know that the Ford Escape, they actually have the position to open the door gate here at the back, right in the middle, and we have to fit the camera right here, okay, right this place over here, and that's really a challenge because you want to have the camera as soon as central as possible. And okay, at the end we actually did it beautifully. And look at this reverse, and then you see super clear and detail as usual with our Full HD camera, anti-glare, super night vision and super wide angle. You see the bumper bar at the bottom here, and you see the tow bar right at the bottom of the screen, and very almost, you know, center. You can see it almost very center at the bottom, which is the best for this car model at the back end. If you know that normally the camera, factory camera in this car might stay very far off the center, this one is very close to the center of the car, so it's almost perfect, the position in the center position. And then, you know, it comes back to the wireless Android Auto screen, and this our, you know, Android phone, which actually stay about 4 meters, yeah, from the car right now, and we are recording it, yeah, with another device. So that is the night driving screen, and if you turn the lights off you will see the day driving screen straight away, which is showing like this. So yes, it's already been done, beautiful everywhere, everything ready to go. So hopefully it will be enjoyable watching, and thanks for watching this video. We have another video to show wireless Apple CarPlay, you know, in this car model. So if you want to see that, please check another video we have in our channel. And thanks again, have a good day.